Hello ladies and gentlemen. If you decide to do this job is very easy, very easy. This is the kind of tool you need. Gloves, you can order this thing on eBay. It's going to cost you $7, $8, $10. And the problem right here, that the thing need to be replaced. Please, if one day you come in here, you see a lot of water everywhere like it happened to here, don't worry. See a lot of water everywhere. First step you're going to do, you're going to turn off the water here. You see the water is leaking here. You're going to turn off right here. And you're going to come with this wrench here. You see this thing? It's penetration. You're going to spray here, right here, and on top here. Obvious, I already did about 10 minutes ago. With one hand you're going to hold it here, and the other hand you're going to lose it here. Obviously the water, you turn the water off, tender. Also you're going to need a packet like that, because when you disconnect it here, the tank is still going to have water. Now you're going to lose it here. 2, you left. And here you do it tight with your hand. 2, the left. You see this washer here, you can do it with a wrench, and you try with your hand. Sometimes when you spray, you can do it with your hand. 2, you left. Now you're going to see a lot of water come down. Not a lot of water, but you need to mix it up everywhere. So that when this not come down, this part easy. You disconnect. You see the water? That's what I'm talking about. Next, you see a little pipe here, you're going to pull it out. Yeah, like that. And the problem right here, year after year, not good anymore. That's the problem. We're going to replace the whole thing. You see the washer here? That's the problem. We have the new one right here. Okay, if you can wipe it out here, so nothing gonna be, and dry a little bit, it will be good. You see this side here? This side, it go down here, right there. But easy way, you attach here first. You can see it's ready to go. Right there. Just be sure you see the little connection here pointing to this side here. Okay guys, the easy way, before you tie all the way up here, you connect it here, the little one here first, so that means you have a chance to move this thing up. Right there, look. So you can pull it up and easy. Right there. You can see how easy. You tie a little bit here first, and then you tie the first one. You can see, you tie this first here, but you already connect the little pipe to the water. Well, give me one extra here. Okay guys, you can see you connect the little pipe here and go into here. And now with the water on here. And I guarantee to you, that's the problem. Just be careful when you turn here the spray and leave it alone for 5-10 minutes, because this pipe is easy to break. You have to hold it straight here. With one hand you hold it very straight, because sometimes it's not very tight. I mean, see, you spray the penetration and you leave it alone for 5-10 minutes before. Remember, who knows how long this thing be there? For years, nobody touch. You don't want to touch and break, you know, just take your own time, do your thing level, try to hold it straight, you see, it's weak. Okay, you hold it straight here, and not going to be damaged. You can see there. And this thing you're going to tie with your hand, both, the first one and the second, easy. Tie good, no need no tools. When you lose off, maybe because, you know, you can see we did the job less than 10 minutes. You know, I had no problem with the water no more. See, perfect, perfect. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you. We did the job 1, 2, 3. And remember, you just need to order this thing in this situation. That you need to order. Or you can go to your hardware store, to lumber supplies, and that's the problem. You can take care of this first to show the sample, or you just can order online. Feel barbell. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you. I know a little long, people don't want to see long video, but I need to show you step by step what you do. And thank you for watching guys. God bless you. Hasta la vista, baby.